Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're dealing with the frustrating HP printer error code 0x61000020, you're in the right place. This error, which is common in 2025 models and beyond, often signals issues like a paper jam, a faulty ink cartridge, or problems with the printer's hardware. Don't worry. I'll walk you through simple steps to fix it quickly and get your printer up and running again. First things first, start by turning off your printer. Unplug it from the power source and wait for about 60 seconds. This gives the device a chance to reset and can resolve minor glitches. Once that's done, plug it back in and turn it on. If the error persists, let's check for physical obstructions. Open the printer cover carefully and look for any stuck paper or debris in the paper path or cartridge area. Gently remove anything you find, making sure not to force anything that might cause damage. Next, ensure your ink cartridges are properly seated. Sometimes, they can shift out of place. Open the cartridge door, remove each one, and reinsert them firmly until you hear a click. While you're at it, check the ink levels in your printer's software on your computer. Low ink can trigger this error, so replace cartridges if needed. If that doesn't work, it's time to update your drivers. Head to the HP website, search for your printer model, and download the latest drivers for your operating system. Install them and restart your computer. This often fixes software-related issues. As a bonus tip, always keep your printer's firmware updated through the HP Smart app. It can prevent future errors. If you've tried all this and the error still shows up, it might be a hardware problem. In that case, contact HP support or take your printer to a certified technician. Remember, regular maintenance like cleaning the print heads and using quality paper can help avoid these issues altogether. There you have it. Simple steps to conquer error code 0x61000020. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech fixes, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.